ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸರ್.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವಿಶ್ವನಾಥ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಇಂದಿನ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿರುವ ಶ್ರೀ KM ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿ, ಪ್ರಾಚಾರ್ಯರು, ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು, ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರು ಹಾಗೂ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನ ಕೋರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಸ್ವಾಗತಗಳು ಸರ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
ಈಗ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಯ ಪರಿಚಯ ಭಾಷಣವನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ವಿಭಾಗದ ವಿಭಾಗಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀ HS ವಿಶ್ವನಾಥ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು. ಸರ್ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ. ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಒನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಅಕೇಶನ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಾದಂತ ಮತ್ತೆ ವೆಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಆದಂತ ಶ್ರೀ KM ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನಾನು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿಲಿ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಎನ್ ಗೈಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. ಸುಮಾರು ತರತರಾವರಿಯ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗಳು ಈ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು 15 ದಿನ ಹತ್ರ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗಳು, ಈವನ್ ಸರ್ ಕೂಡ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು, ಸುಮಾರು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ನನ್ನ ವ್ಯೂಸ್ನ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವತ್ತು ಅವರು ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಮೂಲಕ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೈಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು 1987 SIT ತುಮಕೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಮುಗಿಸಿದ್ದು. ದೆನ್ ಹಿ ಸರ್ವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ BWSSB. ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರಾಜುಯೇಷನ್ SIT ತುಮಕೂರಲ್ಲಿ ME ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ದೆನ್ ಹೀಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎನ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಇನ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಸ್, ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಲೈಫ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಶಿಪ್ ತಗೊಂಡು he started his own company RM Consultation in 1988. he is a proprietor presently. ಅವರು ಸುಮಾರು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಹಿಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ he is interested ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಬೀಸ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇನ್ ನಾನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಸಿಂಗರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೆಂಟರ್. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ, ಸುಮಾರು ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅವರು ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಮೆನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ನ ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಈವನ್ DD ಚಂದನದಲ್ಲಿ March 28, 2015 ಲೈವ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅವ್ರದ್ದು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ BE ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅವರ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂನ ಅವರು ಮೆಂಟರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವರ RM ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಬಿಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅವರ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡವ್ರೆ. ಅರೌಂಡ್ 13 pages ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಒನ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಮನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಹೌ ಹಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಕ್ಸೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 15 or 20 years 30 years ಆಗ್ತಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೈರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿದಂತ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೀಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಮೈಸೂರ್, ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಗುಲ್ಬರ್ಗಾ,
ಸರ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ವಿಶ್ವನಾಥ್ ಸರ್, ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆದ್ರೇನು? ಸರ್ ವಿಶ್ವನಾಥ್ ಸರ್, ಓಕೆ, ಕಾರಣಾಂತರಗಳಿಂದ ವಿಶ್ವನಾಥ್ ಸರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಅತಿಥಿಗಳ ಪರಿಚಯವನ್ನ ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳ ಹೆಸರು KM ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಅಂತ. ಅವರು BE in Civil Engineering, Master Degree in Structural Engineering. He is a consulting civil and structural engineer. He is a registered property valuer. ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬ್ರೀಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಡಕ್ಷನ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. KM Manjunath, proprietor of RM Consultants, finished his graduation at Siddhartha SIT, Siddhganga Institute of Technology, Tumkur in 1987. He served as trainee engineer in BWSSB, Bangalore, acquired the knowledge of estimation, worked with several consultants, contractors for 1 year for execution and supervision of buildings, started civil consultancy firm to private and government buildings in the year 1988. He's completed proficiency course in IISc Bangalore on improved methods of concrete technology. He served as practicing consulting engineer till 1992. He joined SIT for the post-graduation in structures in the year 1992 and completed in the year 1994. After completing the master degree, he joined the structural consultancy office at Sheshadripuram, Bangalore. During the service in office, he inspected the fabrication work of RCC framed structures at the different levels in and around Bangalore. After relieving from the office, he has executed independent factory buildings for RNS constructions worth 2 crores. Till the year 2000, he has given consultancy for various buildings in planning as well as in structural design. Technical consultancy work were awarded by MOIRADA and served for 2 years for the project worth 3 crores involving various infrastructure projects. His personal accolades: he is a life member of Instruct. He has attended many technical seminars conducted by the Instruct. He has served governing council members for Instruct for 2 consecutive periods of the years, from 2012 to 15, 2017 to 18. Presently, he is serving as the treasurer of Instruct. He is lifetime member of Association of Consulting Civil Engineers. He is a life member of Institution of Engineers. He is professional director of Basaveshwaranagar Credit Cooperative Society. He is a life member of Institution of Valuers, Delhi. He served as treasurer in Institution of Valuers, Bangalore branch for the period of 1918 to 2019. Presently, he is serving as honorary secretary of Institution of Valuers, Bangalore branch for the period of from 2019 to 21. He is practicing structural engineer and practicing property valuation. He is empaneled in many financial institutions as a immovable property valuer and also registered valuer in income tax department. He is empaneled valuer in BMRCL, Namma Metro, and he is also empaneled valuer in HUDCO, HUDCO. He is engaged in panel discussion with additional director of Urban and Rural Town Planning Authority, Mr. SB Hannur. This was aired in DD Chandana March 28, 2015 as a live program at 8 to 9 a.m. Given technical lectures to BE students in various engineering colleges through students mentoring program. Let us see his personal interests and hobbies. He is interested to be a mentor, advisor to the students and young engineers, music and folk song singing, counseling for new construction, counseling for retrofitting of old structure, counseling in men and material management, counseling for students, running YouTube channels, CV EduTech for young engineers. Avardondu channel ide. So, RM Consultants, our company ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. He started in the year 1988. During the initial year of our establishment, we were designing building plans for additional construction in Bangalore North. for BBMP controlled areas. We were also started preparing estimation BOEQ for MES, Military Engineering Services works. In the year 1995, we started structural consulting for quite few architects. Later, RM consultants given consultancy to buildings in all the sectors like electricity, water supply. RM consultants has credit and giving consultancy to residential, commercial, and institutional buildings in and outside Bangalore. So RM Consultants has its father in cap by providing consultancy to NGO like Myrada. RM Consultants has extended its services in BMRCL Hudco by evaluating properties for land acquisition process and auctioning of NPA properties of Hudco. RM Consultants has given consultancy to Ramakrishna Math, Siddharabetta, Balehonnuru Shakha Math, JSS education institutions. RM Consultants also evaluated cost of construction of major buildings in setting the disputes between the contractors and owners and performed as an arbitration. RM Consultants also issued structural stability certificates to various individuals as well as corporate clients. RM Consultant has also given internship courses to BE and ME students in and around Karnataka. Definitely our students, civil students can also take the benefit of this. All the projects executed by RM Consultants are listed below. So Sumaru projects, architecture, he is a builder, Yella Sumaru services society ge madidare. So few significant owners are Arpet Private Limited, Vijaya Yelahanka, Prasad BEL, Swami Magadi Road, Narayan Swami. Various projects are a commercial complex at Mysore, commercial complex at Gulbarga. He has completed commercial building of Rudra Prasad at Bangalore. So many projects they have done. Amenity Center of JSS College, Sri Siddhaganga Math Museum, completed residential building of Sadashivaya at Bangalore. So many projects sir has done. Ramakrishna Math Kengeri, then commercial complex at Nelamangala, completed residential building of Sachidananda at Bangalore. Then overhead tank at Hassan, 100-room PG at Electronic City, completed residential building of Anantarama at Bangalore, institutional building, Polytechnic College at Krishnagiri, Annapurna Charitable Trust Ashrama, industrial building on Kunigal Road. Then structural stability reports issued, major valuation assignments they have done, and empaneled valuers for Canara Bank, Axis Bank, IDBI Bank, Syndicate Bank, Janata Cooperative Bank, then TVC Bank. So empaneled valuer in Hudco, BMRCL, NABARD. He has provided technical consultancy to Coimbatore University, Shankaragatta, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa Trust, Bengaluru Regency, Ramakrishna Math, Siddharabetta, Balehonnuru Shakha Math. So RERA certificate issued, NCC Urban Mayfire, NCC Urban Green Province, NCC Urban Mystery Woods. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ವಿಷಯಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳೋದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂದಿನ ಅತಿಥಿಯವರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ KM ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ರವರು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನ ಉದ್ದೇಶಿಸಿ ಒಂದು ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಸರ್ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir. Very much, sir. You are audible, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. ನನ್ಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಬಹಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಶ್ವನಾಥ್ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತೆ ರವೀಂದ್ರನಾಥ್ ಅವರು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ನನ್ನನ್ನ ಪರಿಚಯ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ರು. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ, ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೋದ ಅಂತ. ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಪಾಶ್ಚಿಮಾತ್ಯೀಕರಣ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ. ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಹುಶಃ ರವೀಂದ್ರನಾಥ್ ಅವರು ಬಹಳ ಸಮಯ ನನ್ನನ್ನ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಟ್ರು. ನನ್ಗೆ ಒಂದ್ ಎರಡಿಬ್ರು ಮುಖ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ದರ್ಶನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಶ್ರೇಯಸ್. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಪಾಪ ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಇವ್ರು ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಬಿಲ್ಡಪ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರು, 15 ನಿಮಿಷ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ. ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ನಾಚಿಕೆ ಕೂಡ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಗೌರವಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಅರ್ಹನೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಅದನ್ನ ತಾವುಗಳು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ I'm happy and thankful for you people to give me an opportunity to be with my beloved people, that is students. Students
ಸರ್,
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ನೀವು
ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ.
ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಸೇವೆನ ನಾವು 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ನಾವು ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ತಪ್ಪಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನನ್ನ ಭಾವನೆ ಇದು.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿರುವಂತ ಏರಿಯಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಲೈಫ್ ನನಗೆ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. when I am doing my engineering, how I was, ನಾನು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೆ, ಈಗ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವಾಗ ತಾನೇ ನನಗೆ ಬಂದ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಹಳ ಅದೃಷ್ಟವಂತರು. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವುಗಳೆಲ್ಲ 2 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಅದು COVID-19 ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಬಾತ್ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಪಾಠ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಬೆಡ್ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಪಾಠ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಆ ತರ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಪೀಪಲ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಅಂಕಲ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದೇ ವಾಂಟ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಗೂಗಲ್. ಸೊ in this way they are very lucky. Anyway, thank you for introducing me for the young students of MEI Polytechnic. Now today I want to deliver few of my ಅನಿಸಿಕೆ, whatever I feel about this word know yourself, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. Before going to the speaking, I think I request few people can speak to me, like 5 people, 5 students. So if a civil engineer is there, why you have taken civil engineering? Any one person, please unmute and tell me. Let us have 5 to 8 minutes chat. Any one person can tell me, if he is a civil engineering diploma student, why he has taken civil engineering. Quick. It is open, just a discussion. Anyone can unmute and tell why you have taken civil engineering.
ಹೇಳಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ.
ಹೇಳಿ, please speak, because it is unfortunate that we are not physical. Yes.
ದೀಪು, ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ.
I will get, sir.
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಹೇಳು.
ಸರ್, ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದೊಳ್ಳೆ ಜಾಬಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿ
ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡೋದು ಅಂತ, ಲೈಫ್ ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡೋದು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಗುಡ್. ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಜಾಬ್ ಸೇರಿ ಲೈಫ್ ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆಗೋದು, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗುಡ್. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಸೇ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗುಡ್. ದೀಪು, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನ ಓಪನ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಲೈಕ್. And then next, let us come to mechanical engineer. Any mechanical engineer?
Students, raise your hand,
please.
Yes. Shashank. Yes sir, I am unmuting him. ಮಾತಾಡಪ್ಪ ಶಶಾಂಕ್, ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡು. Yes.
ಹಲೋ, ಕೇಳಿಸಿದೆ ಸರ್?
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ, ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ.
ಹೊಸದನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೊಸ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಜೀವನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಗುಡ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಪ್ಲಾಸ್. ಹೊಸದನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಎನಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್?
ಭರತ್ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಪ್ಪ. Darshan, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Good. Yes.
Sir, because the future is in computer only, sir, we can, I could be useful for the rest of the world, sir, in future.
Wow. Wonderful.
Thank you for the opportunity.
Future is computer only. You are will very much useful for the rest of the world. Wow. What a wonderful imagination. It's really good. I appreciate your thinking, Mr. Darshan.
Thank you, sir.
Very good. Next.
Yes, ಭರತ್ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡು.
ಭರತ್.
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಅವನು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ವನಜಾಗ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ವನಜಾ, ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ. Yes.
Sir, I want to become a software engineering.
Oh, because you are so soft. Very good. You want to become a software engineer?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Nice. Then
Very good.
Any 2 persons last. Then I will start my.
Yes, sir. Rakshit.
Sir, about robots, technology, gadgets.
What do you want to do with the gadgets? What do you want to do with the gadgets? Huh?
Sir, it will be useful in future technology, sir, like self-driving cars.
Progress report. Tell me. Yes. Rakshit was telling something like gadget. What you want to do with the gadget? I could not
Raksh-
able to know.
Unmute ಮಾಡು ರಕ್ಷಿತ್. ಹಾ
Sir,
ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ.
gadgets like smartwatches,
Hmm.
like that, sir. Self-driving cars now already Tesla has invented now, sir. Cars.
Oh, self-driving cars. So your
Yes, sir. Like
manual
that.
help is not required for anything in future. That's what.
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh.
Yes, sir.
You want to sleep and get the work done by other person on behalf of you, like that. Yes. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಸೋಂಬೇರಿಗಳಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಿ ತಿಂಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು ದಟ್ ರೋಬೋಟ್ ನ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಸಿಗೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ.
Ganesham unmute. Yes.
Ganesham,
Good morning, sir.
good morning.
Sir, I want to become a robotic engineer.
Wonderful. See,
Okay.
thank you. Everybody has got a lot of aspirations and dreams to become the world wherein which you are going to investigate or invent new things in robot and computers. Wonderful, wonderful. But I'm happy that at least now everybody is telling that I want to do this, I want to do this. And nobody has said that my father told me to take civil engineering, my father told me to take electronics, I have joined. I'm happy about it because now many of the engineering colleges, when I asked this question, many people said, sir, seat in ನನಗೆ ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಅಂತ ಒಬ್ರು ಹೇಳೋರು. ಇನ್ ಕೆಲವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಫಾದರ್ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್, ನಾನು ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳೋರು. ಇನ್ ಕೆಲವರು ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇಗ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಾವು ಇನ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಸೊ ದ ವೆರಿ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್, ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಯು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಮೈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ಸ್, ಸಿ ಯುವರ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಿಲಿಟಿ, ಯುವರ್ ರುಟೀನ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್, ಯುವರ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗಿಂಗ್ಸ್, your teachers, your parents, your friends, and your locality, and your godfathers. Why? Because see, your habits tell you about you. ನೀವು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅರ್ಲಿ ಟು ಬೆಡ್ ಅರ್ಲಿ ಟು ರೈಸ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಅಂತ. ಸಿ ಮುಹೂರ್ತ ಕೆಲವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ವಕಾಲ ಅಂತ, ತುಂಬಾ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ 3:15 AM ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮುಹೂರ್ತ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಟೈಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಕಲ್ತ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಬೇಗ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಕೆಲವರು ನೈಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಓದ್ತಾರೆ 12 ಗಂಟೆ 1 ಗಂಟೆವರೆಗೂ, ಇನ್ ಕೆಲವರು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಬೇಗ ಓದ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಜನಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ಅಥವಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಅರ್ಲಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಬೆಡ್ ಅರ್ಲಿ, ಆ ತರ. ಸೊ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪರ್ಸನಾಲಿಟಿ, ಯುವರ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ sometime if somebody is having comfortable with walking, it is good. If somebody wants to go by car, ಆ ತರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಿಲಿಟಿಲಿ ನೀವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸಿಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಟೆರೇಸ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೀಡ್ ವೆಲ್. ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಅಚೀವ್ ಇನ್ ಲೈಫ್, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಸಿ ವಿತ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಿಲಿಟಿ with working area also, comfortability with the teachers also, comfortability with the colleges also, and also where you are going to join, alli ನೀವು comfortable, flexible ಆಗಿ ಕಂಫರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. routine activities means see, some people may, after the college gap, they may go to library, some people may go to mall, some people may learn some music. So your routine activities also will speak you, your belongings, your teachers, your parents, your friends. Teachers are very, very important. In the world, we have 3 important positions: mother, teacher, and a doctor. All these words end with the R only, because these 3 positions cannot be misplaced or replaced. Very, very important positions in the world: a mother, a teacher, and a doctor. Your locality. In your locality, if suppose all of your friends are good students who are reading, who want to go for higher studies, who want to become a good citizens of India, then definitely your things will be always highlighted. Godfathers. See, like, everybody, you take in any film industry, like Yash or somebody, if they ask who is your godfather, they will say Rajkumar is my godfather, Vishnuvardhan is my godfather. Like that, Abraham Lincoln is my godfather, Mahatma Gandhi is my godfather. You should have a person so that you can follow him. It is not that we cannot become Mahatma Gandhi, we cannot become Albert Einstein, or a good politician, like that. But it is that there some of the activities can be followed by us. So at least to some extent we will become like your godfather. So then next, urge to learn. See, obviously, curiosity should be there in questioning about all existence. I'm sorry, there is a simple spelling mistake is there, because yesterday my assistant Sheetal, she did it because other of my staff were busy. So there is some, sorry for that, existence. Now all this starts by W. Why, what, when, where, and who. Now, you should, as you are coming to diploma college now, you should always have these type of questions. When you don't understand, you please raise the questions. See, which is the best class anywhere, you should raise the questions. You should raise the questions in such a way that there should not be any doubt in the class. That itself is sufficient. 50% work is over. What happens now? Students will not raise the questions. They will keep simply in mum position. Why should I ask the question? Number one. Second one, if I ask, the teacher may feel bad. Third one, if I ask, they may underestimate me. You don't know anything. My dear students, if you don't know anything, on that day only you are wrong, or on that day only you are a fool, or on that day only you are dull. But if you don't ask question, entire life you are not going to get the answer. Entire life you are going to become a person who don't ask the questions at all. So if you have any questions, please raise the question. You should be bold enough to raise the questions. Am I correct, Mr. Darshan? You should ask questions. You should be bold enough to ask the questions to Vishwanath sir, so Ravindranath sir. You should ask, sir, what is this? Why it has come like that? If 100% I am telling that if Ravindranath sir does not know also, if you ask me a question, if I don't know also, definitely I will go to some other expert and get the answer, and then I will tell you. That is what the same. That's why I said teacher and a doctor and a mother, they are beautiful positions in the world. So you should ask questions. Always, you should know about your capacity. Next, struggle with yourself, my dear friend. This is a very, very important topic because nimma jotene ನೀವು ಜಗಳ ಆಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಈ important topic ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ deal with yourself. Some people will deal. How they will deal? So tomorrow Koti Kubba 3 is coming. It is going to have a box office hit. There's a deal. I will bet 100 rupees. That is not a good deal actually. That is not a good deal. Tomorrow Virat Kohli will do century. No, 100 rupees. It's not a good deal. Deal with yourself. What is that? Nimma jote, nimma manassina jote. Which is the fastest thing in the world, Mr. Vanaja? Which is the fastest item in the world? Which is the fastest vehicle? Which is the fastest vehicle? Is this metro train or bullet train? Which is?
Yes. Kishan, I will unmute you.
Yeah.
Sir, our mind is the fastest thing.
Beautiful, beautiful, wonderful. That is the mind is the fastest vehicle in the world, which is goes even today. If you remember and imagine that I am in America, you will go to America immediately. So you have to deal with yourself. What you should deal? If suppose you are getting up at 7:30 in the morning, your lecturer, I say that get up in the morning, 5 o'clock, start walking, start exercising, then you should deal with your mind. See, tomorrow morning I will give alarm to my watch at 4:30. But that should not be always 4:30 only. You just switch off the alarm and keep same thing you will do. Up to 7:30 you will sleep. No, you should have a deal with yourself. Tomorrow at any cost I will get up at 5 o'clock. You win that deal, definitely you will be successful. If you don't win yourself, that is your mind. Your mind is which is very fast. Your mind says, no, Vanaja, don't get up at 5 o'clock. You please sleep. You will get relaxed up to 8 o'clock. Your mind says, your mind pull the legs. Don't do that. But you should come out of that one. No. I have already promised to my teacher, my lecturer, that I will get up at 6 o'clock. I will definitely get up at 6 o'clock. You should deal with yourself. Then only your things will happen. See, there are so many things. If you say that, no, I can't get up at 4:30, then you cannot. Possible, you see, it is possible to get up at 5 o'clock by everybody. Because everybody has got same nose, same eyes, same hands, your structure, same thing. Even Ravindranath is also having same thing. 36, teeth only. Even Rakshit also got same thing. Rakshit also has got 2 legs and 2 arms. What is the difference is there? It is possible. You should deal with yourself. Yourself. You have to deal. I mean, I will get up. I will do this. I can make this. I will win. It is possible. You just remove. You see, you have to remove that word. I cannot. Just take a scissor and cut out of that one. Cannot. You can. Learning and earning. See, my dear friends, whoever has become professors, whoever is a leader, whoever is either Mahatma Gandhi or Abraham Lincoln or anybody, even for Narendra Modi today, learning and earning is the basic principle of them also. Narendra Modi has not become prime minister within 2 days, no. 30, 40 years, even in the school days, he has sold tea as a tea vendor, he was there. Learning and learning, it is a continuous process. In one day, you will not become a leader, Mr. Rakshit. I'm just connecting all you people because I just wanted to have a lively session. That is the reason I want to always ask the questions. You should be comfortable. See, a reader is always a leader. See, what a wonderful sentence it is. If you want to become a leader, you should read. A reader is a leader, or a leader should always read. That is the slogan. That is what actually it is required. Struggle with yourself. That is what I wanted to tell you, my dear student. If suppose somebody has pulled your leg, pulled your socks, no, yaar, what you will become? You are taken civil engineering. It is of no use. Nobody is giving you a job like that. If somebody has told you, you should say that, yeah, I'm a civil engineer. I will do it. I will get it. But engineering means what, my dear friends? Engineering means you are engineering your life. Nothing extra is there. See, if Vanaja says that, no, I will get up at 5 o'clock in the morning, if she does that one, what extra is required? What mathematics will help you that one? Is it trigonometry is required for that one? Is it Newton's law is required for that one? If Rakshit want to become a sportsman, if you want to run for 4 kilometers, whether sin theta by cos theta will help you? Is it required? Not required. Sin theta by cos theta is not required for Rakshit to go 4-kilometer run. It is his mind. Isn't it? It is his mind which decides, not the philosophy, not the knowledge. Knowledge is also required in the same way. Skill is also required in the same way. You should deal with your mind. Your mind is very, very important, my dear friends. You have to deal with your friend throughout the life, because every day a new problem comes, new problem. There is no person is there without any problem. Everybody has, but problem solution is there always. For every problem, there is a solution. It may not be unique solution, but every problem I guess different solution. We have solution for every problem. Every problem you have got a solution. Then see, my dear friend, this is living with the nature. See, now we don't observe, my dear friends. We don't observe actually. We don't observe. No, you have to observe the nature. How trees are standing. How the telephone poles have got wires wrapped into it, how the telegraphic signals are coming, how the traffic signals have been designed. So many things are there if you study. How the water supply lines have been put under the ground. There are many underground railway stations are there, how they have done it. When they are digging underground, what is the challenges they will get? Even today, why metro is going on in Bangalore from the last 10 years. In a Chickpete metro station, they took about 2-3 years to dig that one, because a lot of rock they have received. If a civil engineer is there, they should go to constructions where constructions are going on. They should watch that one. This is the one important thing. People will not do it. Nobody will go. Even a civil engineer will be there. His father will be constructing the house. He will never see that house. The metro constructions are going on. If a mechanical engineer is there, they should understand what is the mechanics. Can you be able to tell me what some kind of engineering word you will see in classroom? Because you are all sitting in a desk or you are entering the room. Any engineering word you have observed? Because this living with the nature I am explaining you. Have you ever observed some engineering word there? Anybody can tell. In a desk you can say, in a door you can say, you can see any engineering word. Mechanical people can see that one. Of course, computer people also will see. Tell me, anybody can tell me in your room or in your house or in your school, what is the technical things are there so that you have to study here. You just get 2 minutes and tell me, get me back. In your school, desk is there. What mechanical things you are seeing there? Rakshit or Kishan.
Yes, Rakshit, I will unmute you.
What?
Speak.
What
ಅರ್ಥ
mechanical
ಆಯ್ತಾ
things
ಸರ್
you are
ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು?
Desk is made up of wood, which is used for, which is done by civil engineering.
That's okay, but another engineering word will be there in that one. He say, I am telling two contemporary things. One is door, other one is desk. One is door, other one is desk.
Sir, that
What
mechanical will
engineering?
be done by mechanical.
Huh? No, a word is there in that. It is involved. One word is there, it is involved. You will study in that one. Even civil engineers will study that word. That is called hinge. Hinge. A hinge will be fixed to the desk so that it can be pulled out and pulled up. Door. Door is having a hinge so that it can be opened. Without hinge, you can't put a door, no? When you want to open the door, hinge has to be fixed. That is a technical word. Hinge support will be there for civil engineering people. This is what we have to observe surrounding. Involvement. You have to involve with the people. You have to involve with the nature. When you are going down, you might have observed when rain comes, a lot of areas, water flooding will be there. Water flooding will be there. Why? What is the problem in water flooding? Why in Kamala Nagara, in Basaveshwar Nagara, in HSR layout, when rain comes, a lot of water has been spread out. Any reason is there? Anybody can unmute and tell. I appreciate that courage. That is what is required, not the trigonometrical sin theta by cos theta or 1 by cot theta is tan theta. That is not required. Even I also know ax square plus bxc plus c. That will give marks. Hey, anybody can tell why it is like that, why it happens like that. What is the reason? Yes, Mr. Manohar, computer science.
Manohar, speak out. Yes, unmute.
Why water comes and stands in front of your building? Why?
Sir, maybe the level of ground is less than other sites. I mean,
level of ground is less than other sides. Okay, one point, another point. Rohit is put his hand. Yes, Rohit, please.
Yes, Rohit. Unmute.
This is common sense. Common sense. आपको अपना environment से जीना है. You have to live with the environment. Why it happens? Many people are there. Water comes inside the building. Mr. Kumar Swami or Mr. Shashank, please.
Chandan.
Sir, no proper pipelines to flow the water.
No proper pipelines. Yes. Next. Nearer. You are nearer. Next. Correct word.
Vinay.
The drainage problem.
Wonderful.
Drainage
That is
problem.
good. Surface drainage is not properly made. When see this urbanization has gone in an unplanned way. Unplanned growth of urban areas has made this one. Wherever they want, they will construct the house. Yes, Ellen Vijay Kumar want to say something. Yes, Mr. Vijay Kumar.
Yes,
Vijay.
Vinay. Vinay.
Sir, drainage problem, sir.
Wonderful. Surface drainage problem is there. Surface water, when water comes in the rain, it will not be taken up to the proper drainage. That's why it happens. Like, you have to see the universe. It is not that a mechanical engineer should work in mechanics only, my dear friend. It is not that a civil engineer should work in civil engineering only. What you work, what you engineer, it should solve the problem. Why engineers are called? Engineers should solve the problem, isn't it? Traffic problem. Why traffic congestion happens? Why traffic congestion happens? Simple thing. You just live with the world. Little things. There is a book called Small is Beautiful. Small things. Why traffic congestion happens? Lot of vehicles are there. Every day, thousands of vehicles have been registered. And then road has not been planned for future growth. Isn't it? Bangalore, nobody was expected this much development will happen. Then they should plan for the future. At least 25 years planning should be there, isn't it? Because you are the people. That is engineers. Engineers engineer the world. So here engineering means we have to design for the future, proper development, sustainable development. See, like, living with the nature means, nature, see, suppose if you want to practice something, if you want to explain something, if you want to give a talk like me, if I want, today, I am giving you a lecture in so many colleges and even MEA Polytechnic also has called me, invited me. I'm doing because this is a practice. That's all. If I don't practice it, I will not be in a position to speak. I will not be in a position to deliver. Isn't it like that? You people has to practice. If suppose, let me give an example. Apart from becoming an engineer, who has got any specific habits? Let me at least somebody is having any interest in sports. Please tell me. Extracurricular activity, anybody is having? Why this? I want to relate this practice makes man perfect. This word I want to explain is, anybody can open it. Who has got any extracurricular activity? Please tell me.
Yes.
I'm
Kishan.
happy to listen. Kishan, yes.
Kishan.
Sir, I have an habit of singing, cooking, and
Good.
I can write poetries in Kannada, Hindi, and English.
Wonderful, wonderful.
I'll
wonderful.
write poems in Kannada, that is Halegannada, in Kantapadya, in Bhamini Shatpadi, and Vartaka Shatpadi also.
Very nice, very
And
nice.
I write sonnets, I write stories of my own.
Wonderful, wonderful. This is what is required for every individual. One should have an extracurricular activity in their life, not only studying and passing the examination, getting the certificate, and asking somebody to give me a job. That is not that. That should not be the criteria. You have the capacity to give job to other persons also. Yes, Prashant, what you will do?
Unmute yourself. Prashant.
Sir, I want to become a sportsman of Atlantic.
So tell me, how many hours you practice every day? What is that? Even Sachin.
Sir, it is my
It
is my dream, but it is not successful, sir.
No, this is what I wanted to tell you. See, my dear friend, if it is your dream, it is not successful, means what is the problem there? You should identify that, no? What is the problem? Why you can't do it? How many hours you practice? See, that's why I want to relate this. Sir, tell me, your parents are not interested, huh? Your parents don't want you to send to the practice in the morning. See,
yes, sir, I think
somebody is told that I will write letters, I will sing. You ask him what is the time he will give for that one. After your class hours, he will sing, he will practice it. More than 2-3 hours, he will give time for it. Isn't it, Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, who has told? Kuldeep Singh, na? Who has told that?
Speak out.
You only told me, no, I will do singing, write poets and all.
No, Kishan said, sir. Kishan.
Yes, Mr. Kishan. Kishan, speak out, because this Prashant is telling that Prashant or somebody telling.
Kishan, you raise your hand. Please share.
This is just a chat with among ourselves. Yes.
Kishan.
Anyway, see, you have to practice, whether it is a writing poetry or singing or dancing or becoming an athlete person, everywhere. Yes, Shashank want to say something. Yes, Mr. Shashank.
Yes, Shashank. Unmute.
Mute, unmute this way. Yes.
ನಾನು ಪೊಯಂಗಳನ್ನ ಬರಿತೀನಿ ಈಗ ಕನ್ನಡ ಹೊಸಗನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಆಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾನೇ ಬರ್ದು ಆಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಂದು ಕನ್ಸೇನಂದ್ರಿ, ನಾನ್ ಬರೀ ಹಾಡುಗಳನ್ನ ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ರು ಆಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಹಾಡು ನನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಹಾಡುಗಳು ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಸರ್. ಒಂದ್ ನದಿ ಕಳ್ದೋಗಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ನದಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿರೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಹುಡ್ಕೋದ್ ನನ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ. ರಿಸರ್ಚ್.
Wonderful. See, what I would like to tell you is, thank you, Mr. Shashank. What I wanted to tell you is, there is no alternate to practice. If somebody wants to become a big person, there is no alternate word is called. They should practice, practice, practice. If you ask anybody, if you ask Virat Kohli or Mahendra Dhoni, if you ask them, what they will say? Practice, practice, practice. There is none other thing is there in the world. If you have a practice of writing article, if you have a practice of singing, if you have a practice of speaking loudly, if you have a practice of public speaking, definitely you will become an orator. But you need to spend 2-3 hours. See, like, if you want to come first to the state, entire state, Karnataka state, you want to be first person in studies, no, you should work hard like anything. That is the practice. One answer, if you don't get, no, you should repeatedly do it. Practice, 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 practice. MS Subbalakshmi, the great singer, She was every concern, every concert, she used to take it as an examination. Every day, every concert, she used to having namaskara to the stage, then she will do. Every day, 3 hours she used to practice. 3 hours. MS Subbalakshmi, the renowned singer. It's like that, what I wanted to say, you live with the nature. Nature means, if whatever you are interested, whatever you like, you do that one first. Whatever you do that one, it should be interested by you. No, you have to love the subject. Suppose if you want to become a civil engineer, you love civil engineering. If you want to become a mechanical engineer, you love it. Okay. And I always say for everybody, I used to say that one, which is the closest relationship in the world, my dear friends? Which is the closest relationship? You tell me. I will understand. Closest relationship between brother, sister, mother, father, mother, father, son, which is the closest. You are all growing now. You are all growing. You must be in a position to understand. Closest means what? Just Vanaja.
Vanaja, unmute, madam. Vanaja.
Sir.
Yeah, closest relationship. Anybody can tell. Yeah, Kuldeep Singh also. You can tell which is the closest relationship.
Sir, yourself, myself.
Huh? Yourself. Yeah. Yourself is the closest. And then another one. Darshan can speak. Another one. Closest. In physical life, who is very close? Huh?
Reading, sir. Reading and a knowledge.
No, I am telling closest relationship.
Relationship, sir.
Relationship. Father, mother, mother, sister, elder sister, like that. Relationship.
Mother,
so one
sir.
person said yourself, huh?
Mother.
Mother, very good, very good. For you people, it is mother now. So after 3 years, when you get married, your wife, isn't it? Am I right? Am I right?
No, sir. That is about the future, sir.
That is what we have to think that also. No, that is the only which is going to last for a long. See, this 3 years after diploma, 2 years again, some course or 4 years engineering, some people may do. After that, what happens? See, what I want to tell you is yourself is okay, and then wife. Why I am telling, let us not say wife. I will put it across, your lover. If I say anybody is having idea of loving your mates, she's also closest, na? No, why I would like to tell you is, if you are a mechanical engineer, you should love first mechanical engineering. If you love it, na, definitely you will conquer it. Correct? Correct, Mr. Kuldeep Singh?
Yeah, unmute.
Good. See, why I am telling, see, if somebody loves anybody, he will not leave that one. He will conquer it. Like that, you love it first. So why I would like to say, first wife is always civil engineer, next only physical wife. That's what I wanted to tell. So the subject, what you are going to study and what you are going to do, that you should understand first. So now let me go to next slide. Let me know how, prove and improve. 2 words are there. There are 2 words which varies with the 2 words only. I am. Everybody wants to prove themselves for society by owning a big car, houses, smartphone, but that will not improve yourself. To improve yourself, those things are not mandatory, isn't it, Darshan? Am I correct? Somebody may ask, what is the phone you are having, my dear friend? Smartphone. How many GB is there? 128 GB. I am having this much big phone. But you are going to download entire world telephone numbers. Not required, no? Not required. What is the use of that material things? You will not improve. You inculcate certain habits which you will improve. So like you want to sing, you improve that character. You want to become a good gentleman, you improve certain characteristics of godfathers. See, don't prove to others that I have got a BMW car. Don't prove to others that I have got a very big vehicle. I don't know. I have to ask my subordinates only, which is the big bike or whatever it is. I only know some few cars, even some bikes, KTM or something is there. I don't know. You don't have to prove that one. You have to improve. If you want to improve, what is that you need? You need to improve yourself. That is what I said. You know yourself. What is the capacity in you? What is that? If you practice, that will improve in yourself. If you get a small idea of writing poems, if you improve that one, if you practice that one, that will be improved. Then probably you will be taken as a lyricist in cinema. If you are singing slowly, if you become a good singer, definitely you will become Sanchit Hegde or some other new person who is coming now in Saregamapa. Correct? You improve that one. But big phone, big car, big shirt, roaming in the malls, roaming with a friend, this will not improve. You need not have to prove that one. I have gone to Orient Mall for 2 days. From morning to evening, I was there. I had an ice cream. Some people today, they go to MG Road for eating ice creams, which is only about 6 inches. Only this much. 150 rupees, they will say. They will go to MG Road night in the 12 o'clock to get that ice cream. You can say, oh, I have gone to MG Road late 12 o'clock. What is that name? I don't know. Some store is there. It will not give you anything. It will not improve your thing. It will rob your money. See, my dear friends, nobody can stop you from reaching your goal if you have a confidence. I cannot stop. Your mother also cannot stop. See, Narendra Modi's mother cannot stop Narendra Modi to become a prime minister. Where is Narendra Modi's mother? She is in an old area, small village, small hut she is staying. Where is his son? He is in parliament. He is roaming around the world roaming. He is the best prime minister. He has been awarded like that. His mother also cannot stop him. Nobody can stop you from reaching your goal if you have a confidence. You should have confidence. I will do it. Definitely I will do it. Nobody can stop me. I am interested in it. I will do it. As I told you, I love her. I will marry her. Correct? No? You will not live. You love your mother. Nobody will allow somebody to speak bad words about the mother. You love your mother. You love your parents. You don't want anybody to speak poke on your mother. Correct? You love her. You love them. Like that, you love your subject. You love your interest. What is your interest? Become an engineer, become a singer, become a sportsman. Good. 100% correct. You love it. Definitely, you see, nobody can stop you to become a good sportsman, good singer, or a playback singer in the movies. Next. Mental status. This is very, very important. See, I have a friend, his name is Sitaram. Whenever I call him, no, how are you? I am wonderful. Fantastic, he say. If somebody asks, Kuldeep Singh asks Darshan, how are you, Darshan? Darshan will say, ಏನ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗಿದೆ ಗುರು, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ತಿಂಡಿ ಸರಿ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇಡ ಅನ್ಬಿಟ್ರು, ಅವಳು ನೋಡ್ರೆ ಕರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ಯಾವರೊಬ್ಬ ಕರಿತಾ ಇದಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ಬೇಜಾರಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಗುರು. That is not the way. You should happily say that I am okay with the life. See the photos. Depressed, stressed for what? God has given you good nose, good eye, good ear, 2 legs and 2 eyes. You see, some people don't have even eyes. Blinds are there. Some people don't have legs. If you see that one, what you are most sophisticated person today. A person having a good physics or a normal physics is a Superman actually. Superman. Because you see, there are many people who don't have legs. There are many people who don't have hands. There are many people who don't have hands. They have the biggest, fastest typewriters in the world. You might have seen one person in what I think that is there in my next slides. In spite of not having proper mental status, no, he is a scientist. He is a physicist. His name, I think, Stephen Hawking. Yeah, I think Stephen Hawking. See, he has been always in the bed only. He is a famous scientist. See, depressed, stressed, but still well dressed. You know that you go to mall, buy a Max shirt or some good jeans, good pant. You are well dressed, but you are depressed. No use. See, depressed, stressed, still well dressed. What is the use of dressing well if you don't have a good mental status? If somebody asks you, how are you? I am beautiful, wonderful, first class. If anybody asks you, first class, no problem. I'm having my meals. My mother gave me food. My father gave me some pocket money. I'm going to college. I'm going to become an engineer. What is wrong with you? Isn't it? Everything is given by your parents and your God. Then you must be okay, no? First class. We are first class people. Always our mental status should be first class. Nobody is there to beat me. What is there? I'm an engineer. I can deserve. I will invent robot. Why? Because my father gave me this opportunity to become an engineer. My father gave me this food. They gave me a bike also, MEA Polytechnic. Mostly after 15 days, you have to go to college. KSRTC is there, BMTC is there, bus is there. Only thing you have to give money, take a ticket, that's all. Otherwise, you have to fill petrol and come. Petrol money is given by your father. No worries, isn't it? Beautiful life, golden moment is student life is golden life. Because no worry to earn anything. Biggest enemy, who is the biggest enemy? Mind. Mind is the biggest enemy, my dear friends. Fastest person is also mind, and biggest enemy is also mind. You have to control your mind. You should say that I am happy, sir. What is there? I can do. I can do, sir. What is there? You have to come first for MEA college. Huh? Well, I will do it. What is there? Nothing. I have to reduce my sleeping hours. I have to cut my friends. I have to cut my pizza and burger, and keep a healthy habit, healthy physique. I will come. It is simple, sir. Whatever lecturer says, no, that I will read and I will put it in the paper. Isn't it? What extra I will do? Lecturer will say, book is there, study it, vomit it in the examination. If you vomit somewhere else, what happens? No, you have to go to hospital. But vomit your knowledge in the paper, you will get first class. Isn't it, my dear friends? Huh? Yeah. Next, goal. There are two goals will be there, my dear friends. Short-term goal and long-term goal. Short-term goal means successive improvement in education. See, short-term goal. See, today one assignment is given by Ravindranath sir. I will do that. That is a short-term goal. You have 24 hours time. Suppose Saturday they will give an assignment. Monday you have to submit. It is short-term goal. You do it Saturday, Sunday, you will reach that goal. Or next examination is there next year. That is also short-term goal only. Successive improvement in education. You will complete your 7th standard, you will complete your 10th standard. Now you have come to diploma. Okay. That is long-term goal. Personal and professional achievements. Personal and professional achievement is the long-term goal. You want to become Prime Minister of India. That is a long-term goal. For that, what you have to do? You should start your, after education, after college, you start joining politics, joining BJP, going there. Isn't it? If you want to become a software engineer, what you have to do? Every day you have to do that one. Some small thing you have to invent. Small softwares you have to develop. Then you will become a big software engineer. Isn't it? Short-term goal, long-term goal. Then to become a successful engineer, what you have to do? You have to join, you already joined MEI. Then you have to go for BE, engineering, then master degree, then PhD. See, this is all short-term. Long-term is at the last you will become a successful engineer. See, success will not come in a day. Success is a continuous process. If you want to become a mechanical engineer, electrical consultant, whatever it is, you should be in a continuous process of improvement yourself, going through the processes. See, next, what is that step to reach your goal? Step to reach your goal, confidence. You should have confidence. If suppose Kuldeep Singh is telling that, yeah, I will become a good singer like Sanchit Hegde. And Darshan starts telling, yeah, Sumira Ninkan Lagate, in order of Kiwi Kitkono or Tazara Mother, then in Sanchit Hegde than Anakatena. You will pull the sack. But then Kuldeep Singh should say, no, I have got confidence, I will do it. You forget about Darshan. Whoever it is. You see, Vanaja wants to become a Bharatanatyam dancer. I mean, somebody should say, you do it if you have got interest. I will support you. You don't want to become Bharatanatyam learner, to encourage Vanaja. I only told that go, all the best. I will support you. If anything I want, I will. If you want, I will give you. Like that. Discipline in life. You know, so Kuldeep Singh is coming at 9:30 to MEA Polytechnic gate. Everybody would say, yeah, Kuldeep comes means it is 9:30. Not that watch is showing 9:30. Kuldeep is coming. Because of that, it is 9:30. Because that means Kuldeep will come definitely 9:30 to a college. That is what the determination you have to make. Then well dressed. You should be well dressed. No, first impression is best impression. No, you will dress well when you want to meet your girlfriend. That is there. No problem. But every day you should have a well dressed. Every day, every moment is lively moment. Every life is important. Believe in yourself. You believe in yourself. Like Darshan believes himself. I want to become football. Yes, you believe first. You will become. Believe in yourself first. Then others will believe you. Others will follow you. If yourself don't believe, what happen? ನನಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ನಾನು ಎದ್ದೋಳೋದು ಬೇರೆ 7 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ 6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಬಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಮರ್ತೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ, ಅಲಾರಾಮ್ ಹೊಡಿದೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ, ಯಾರು ಅಲಾರಾಮ್ ಹೊಡಿಲಿ ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ, ಜ್ವರ ಬರ್ಲಿ, ಶೀತ ಬರ್ಲಿ, ನೆಗಡಿ ಬರ್ಲಿ, ಏನೇ ಬರ್ಲಿ, ಒಗ್ಗಟ್ಟಿರ್ಲಿ, ಏನೇ ಬರ್ಲಿ, ದರ್ಶನ್ 7 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಎದ್ದೋಳ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡು. ನಾನು ಬಂದೇ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್. ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನೀವು ಓವರ್ಕಮ್ ಫಿಯರ್ಸ್. ಭಯ ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಅಂತ. 4-5 ಜನ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಯು ಆರ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ದಿರೋರು, ಅದರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ ರೆಡಿ ಇರೋರು ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ವೆಲ್ ಡನ್. ಬಟ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ದೇನೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು, ಅವ್ರು ಬೇರೆ ನಮ್ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ ಇದಾರೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ. nobody will cut marks. Nobody will feel bad if you speak. ಅಂತ ಭಯ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ. ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್, ಇಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ, ನನಗಿದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಭಯ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿ. Determine yourself. I will come definitely first person in MEA college. You determine. Make that every day's mantra. Janaganamana. Every day Janaganamana you do in our colleges and school. Your Janaganamana should be, what is your goal? You know that Tandolkar or even Kapil Dev or Virat Kohli, they used to go for 5 hours every day practice. 5 hours morning. Can you able to play 5 hours in this now? No. But you should see that one. If you want to work hard, you should sit 5 hours for any goal, whatever you want. Commitment means when you committed, no? If somebody, Bahara Parvagilla, Darshan picture ಬಂದಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಬಾಳ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಆಯ್ತು ನಡೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾಳೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. No, that should not be. Never, ever. I will not come. I have got a commitment. You suppose I ask Darshan, please bring a bottle of Pepsi to me because I have given lecture to your ME college. Then if Darshan says I am coming, sir, then he should come. Then I will be waiting for Darshan's Pepsi. Then he says, sir, my name Kuldeep Singh called me and I am going to Orient, but tomorrow I will give and come and give Pepsi, means that is not correct. Commitment should be there. If you say Darshan first, no sir, I am not your slave, I don't bring. It's correct. You don't do it. No, your determination should be in a straightforward sense. If I will bring, sir. If I don't bring, I will don't bring. That should be hard work. Next, you should work hard. Everybody who are successful people, they have worked hard. Positivity means what? You must believe yourself. You should say positively, I will go by 10 o'clock, whatsoever may be the condition. No, you may say that, sir, traffic ittu, sir. No way. You know that traffic is there from day one, you know. Then you should start early. If you start at 9 o'clock, traffic is there. Start 8:30. Wait for 5 minutes, no problem. Positively, you should say, I will come, sir. I will come, sir. In Kannada, one song is there. Akashave Beelale Mele. You know that old song? I will not leave you. Bhumine Ibhagaru nan bidala nin kai hitini anta. You know that? Like that, whatever may be the situation, I will come. That should be your positivity. Sincerity means whatever sincere approach you make, no, there is no second opinion for it. Definitely you will become a successful person if you are sincerely attempt for whatever you want to become. You want to become a biggest businessman in the world. Being in Bangalore, you will become, provided you have all these characters: hard work, commitment, overcome fears. All these things you just practice, he will definitely become a successful person, successful business. Then determination, challenges. Challenges will be there for everybody in life. Challenge means what? Let me put across, coming to college by 9 o'clock is a challenge. You have to come by 8:55. What is your challenge? Maybe a problem may be there. Your father is not feeling well. Your house is away. Your road has been repaired. Your bus will not come. All these challenges are there. But final destination is you have to go to college. That's all. Whatever may be the problem. Your mother wants you to do some work, homework in the house. Will they able to, they will definitely tell, no, you ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನೋ ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಏನಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅಮ್ಮನ್ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಪನ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಲ್ವಾ? when you do that one, ನಾನು ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು, 8:50 ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. Possibility is there. You know that you have to prepare some food to your mother. Keep early in the morning, half an hour early, you prepare it. Everything man can do it. With all challenges, with all shortcomings. Shortcomings means what? Shortcomings, I will tell you. There are many people in the road, they will ask, sir, lift ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ? ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. You might be seeing, if you are going by a bike, sir, lift ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ? That is also another way of help, taking help. Sir, 1 kilometer is there, my lecturer is there. Even now, when I was studying, one of the lecturer was asking lift at that time. Then you also can ask lift. What is there? Any shortcomings? If you don't have money, to go by bus, you walk. What is there? Guard, Nataraja service ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ? ಕಾಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ. ಅಲ್ಲ, PT Usha runs about 400 meters in so and so seconds. Then can you not walk at least? You can. Battles, you have to fight. You have to fight with whom you have to fight. Maybe Darshan has to fight with Kuldeep Singh. Like, no, Kuldeep Singh is pulling you to come to cinema because Kuldeep Singh has completed his examination. Darshan is not completed. So you have to fight with him, stuck battle with him. You should not lose Kuldeep Singh also. You have to put eyes on him. Yeah, tomorrow ನಾನು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಪಣ, ಏನು ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಡ, ಇವತ್ತು ಬರಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ನಾಳೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. These are the ways you can do it, na? It is not that you have to battle with him. ಇಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ ನಾನು ಹೋಗ್ಲೇಬೇಕು ಕಣ, ಇದು ಈ ತರ ಬ್ಯಾಟಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೇಷನ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗೋಲ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಹರ್ಡಲ್ಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಹರ್ಡಲ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್. ಈ ಸಪೋಸ್, I will just imagine a situation where in MEA college gate, all of you are there. Lot of downpour is there, lot of downpour. You can't go by bike. You will stay there for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, you will stay in MEA Polytechnic. But at the last, where you will go? You will go to your house only, na? Your house is the goal. Your house is destination. You will not come to my house. If suppose I will be there in between, hey, Barapa, Kuldeep, Baraya Darshan, Namane ಹೋಗೋಣ, ನೀವು ಬರ್ತೀರಾ? ಏನಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಶ, ಬರ್ತೀಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತೀರಾ? ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತರ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ರಾತ್ರಿ 12 ಗಂಟೆ ಆದ್ರೂ ನೀವು ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Am I right? So that is the goal. Your goal is to go to home. Whatsoever may be the hurdle, whatsoever may be the battle, whatever may be the shortcoming. What is the shortcoming? Rain is coming. Let it come. Afterwards, it will stop. Na? Definitely, it will stop. 24 hours also, it will stop. At least 4 hours, half an hour, it will stop. I will go home, sir. I will go home, sir. That's all your goal. So like that, you should have a goal in your life. Next. Great minds. What a beautiful things it is. See, Galileo, Abraham Lincoln, APJ Abdul Kalam, Bill Gates, Stephen Hawking, Albert Einstein. If suppose if I tell Kuldeep, what is Abraham Lincoln? Sir, he is a great person. APJ Abdul Kalam, Darshan says, sir, he is also a very great person, sir. And Albert Einstein, Manaja also says, sir, greatest people in the world. But we never mind. We don't mind. They are great people. What are you? They are great people, but what about you? You should become great, na? Somebody should tell, Kuldeep is great. When they will tell? You should conquer something, isn't it? All Abraham is having any 3 eyes? Is he having 3 eyes? ಈಶ್ವರಂತರ 3ನೇ ಕಣ್ಣಿದೆಯಾ ಅಬ್ರಹಾಂಗೆ? ಇಲ್ಲ. 3 ಕಾಲು ಇದೆಯಾ? 2 ಕಾಲು, 2 ಕೈ, 1 ಮೂಗು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಗ್ರೇಟ್. Why you are not great? Because you never mind them. We don't mind, sir, whatever he is. I want to go to cinema only. I want to eat pani puri only. Your life will become pani puri in that case. No, just for a joke, I am telling my dear friends, even I also eat pani puri. It is not that Manjunath is not eating pani puri. We will do that. But no, it is like these things, See, these people are great people. Why they are great? Because they are limited to their habits. They are compounded within their habits. They have disciplined their life. They want to continue their life with their own activities, their own disciplined time. I want to eat by 8 o'clock, they will eat by 8 o'clock only. They want to read by 7 o'clock, they will read 7 o'clock. They will read. They will not leave. Not like us. We have to that kind of discipline. You should do 24 hours. 24 hours, you make a diary every day. How much hour you will sleep? 8 hours you will sleep, correct? 4 hours. 4 hours you are eating, drinking, bathing, toilet, dressing, everything will go. 12 hours. Another 12 hours is there. 50% of time is there with us. But whether we use 50% of time, never use. Chit-chatting, this, that, it will go. You should use time is money. Time is money, my dear friends. Yeah, growing together, my dear friends. See, understanding and knowing yourself, changing the attitude to suit circumstances. We have to adjust. We have to adjust to circumstances. We should not always say, I want this only. I want this only. No. See, even Narayana Iyengar bakery cake is also sweet. It is not that we have to go to that same old MG Road cake only. Why you want? You have to adjust for the situation. See, then not complaining to others, other understanding our weakness. If somebody says that, Darshan says, Kuldeep, you are not looking good, then you should not comment on him. Darshan said, I am not good. No. Maybe you straight. Maybe I may not be good. Let us see tomorrow. I will wash and I will remove my mustache and some dress, neatly dressed. Let us see. I will improve myself. If somebody complain, you don't complain wapas to him. Yeah, he is complaining. He is not good like that. Then understanding our weakness, recognizing our faults and mistakes leads you grow towards improvement. See, one has to recognize his own mistake, correct? Then only he will improve. Then next, growing. See, growing means what? See this, I will have a slide. Growing means what? See, when we are children, we'll have a milk, we'll drink milk, correct? When you grow to the college, we'll have Coca-Cola. Then after college, we'll have one more old monk will be there. After that, we'll go to bed. This is not the growing way. Understand? We are growing. But with that, what we are having? Then, see, next, another step is there. Growing. See this. You should grow to a big personality. You should grow to a big personality. For that, you need commitment. You need analysis by yourself. You should analyze yourself. That is what it is. Know yourself. Know your habits. Know your weaks. See, one more thing. SWOT analysis. This is called strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. What is your strength? You should understand your strength. How many kilometers you can run? How many pages you can write? How much marks you can take? You are taking 60, then try to improve. Your weakness, what is your weakness? After meals, you can't read. Then lower your meals, take less meals. After 8 o'clock, you can't read. Go early bed, rise early in the morning. What is your threat in the college? Kuldeep is getting 97 marks. He is your threat. He is the opponent. You should go to 98%. That is your threat. Opportunity. What is the opportunity? Lecturer has told you to give an assignment tomorrow. Before Kuldeep gives, you should give. That is an opportunity. If I say, Darshan, give this assignment, Darshan, speak this, Darshan, do this work, that is an opportunity. You do it. You should think, my threat, my opponent is Kuldeep. Before he comes, I should go. That is our threat. If you don't go before Kuldeep, Kuldeep will get the marks. So, strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. These are all the things what a person need to improve themselves. That is what I actually wanted to speak in this regard. Know yourself. You should know your strength. You should know your weakness. If you know your weakness, you can improve further. You can know your strength. You can compete for proper thing. See, if you are interested in civil engineering, you go there. That is your strength. Your weakness is there not to go for any practical experience. Then you improve that one. Opportunity, you see. For a civil engineer, any opportunity means if somebody is constructing a house, go and see the house. For a mechanical engineer, any factory is there, you go and see that before engineering, during the college itself. For any electronics engineer, for any computer engineer, try to assemble the computer yourself. Try to do your own homework. What is there? What extra I can do? Can I design a car? Can I design a bike with sunlight energy? You think about it. Your opportunities are there. You can design a project. Threat. Regarding threat, I told you, whatever opponent is there, for that opponent, always everybody is an opponent person for you. You should challenge them. So I will definitely beat him. For Indian cricket team, who is the opponent? Pakistan. You see, somewhere India-Pakistan match means always it is a heat. Always some interest will be there. Is it not, Mr. Darshan? India-Pakistan means always some sort of fire will be there. Yeah, something should happen. Everybody are interested. Like that, so many things in life is there. You can analyze yourself. See, there is analysis, SWOT analysis you have to make. What do you do well? What unique resources you can draw on? What do others see as your strength? ಬೇರೆಯವರು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು appreciate ಮಾಡೋ ವಿಷಯ ಯಾವುದು? ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಬೇಕು. Darshan, you are running very well. That is your strength. Darshan, your handling is good. That is your strength. Then weakness. What could you improve? Darshan, you are coming 5 minutes late. That is your weakness. You start coming exact time. Where do you have fewer resources than others? If you don't have a computer, that is your weakness. You identify your weakness. What are other likely see as weakness? Others like you. Darshan, you are not responding properly. When somebody is speaking, what opportunities are open to you? Open opportunities. Somebody asks you, speak about yourself. What trends could you take advantage? How can you turn your strength into opportunity? Your strength is there. You can bowl well. You can speak well. You can write well. You can sing well. What are the opportunity? Where you will see? See, you just see the opportunity means, some people they will be selling balloons, correct? In front of chowdhuries, in front of school. Somebody will be there who sells ice cream. What is the opportunity for him to sell more ice creams, more balloons? Should go to all chowdhuries where marriage is going on. You should go there, isn't it? There is the only area where you will get more business, isn't it? Correct? If a mechanic is there, you should go there where bikes are standing. Suppose the insurance people is there, what they will do, they will go to car parking area. They will put stamps. I am making insurance of vehicles. You please contact. Isn't it? If somebody is acting well, where is the opportunity? You should go to the Sarigamapa or Maja Bharata, some kind of reality shows, isn't it? Start doing that one. If he is a good enough in IAS, multiple MCQ, multiple choice question, let us try for Kaun Banega Crorepati. That is the opportunity, na? For your strength, what is the opportunity? Where is the opportunity? You should see that one. That is what you analyze yourself, your strength. Threat. What threat can harm you? What is your competitor doing? What threats do your weakness require aspect to pay? You will see that. Suppose you are having a cricket match tomorrow, you will see in the evening. So who is the first bowler? Who is the fast bowler? Who is the first down batsman? Who is the opener? Like everybody will think how the opponent people will be there. Like that, You should see if you want to design a car or if you want to give a project for your lecturer, you should see about your opponent, what best you will do. See, whether you steal knowledge, no problem. Nobody will give you punishment. You are stealing knowledge from the earth, isn't it? You are stealing knowledge from the entire world. You are taking knowledge from your book, your lecturers. Is there anybody will say anything to you? They will appreciate you, my dear friend. If you steal lunch box, definitely they will slap you. Somebody. Isn't it? If you want to sit in front, next to your girlfriend without permission, she will slap you. Isn't it? You should ask permission. May I sit in front of you? She will not say no because you are asking permission. You will be honored. Without asking, if you sit in front of her, she will definitely slap you. If we ask her, she will say, come and sit next to me. And that is the sincere approach, what you have to do. Isn't it? See this depressed mood, what to do? So many things. Oh, this computer. Why we will feel stressed today? Network is not there. Mobile is not charged. Mobile bank is not there. Power is not there. This is the stress for the people. But you are there, no? You can do well. Why you want to depend on mobile? When you are there, you are the most superior person in the world. World has given you almost all the things, you know. See, before 30 years ago, calculator was not there. If you want to multiply 3 into 3 also, now you will take calculator. Correct? You will not use your mind. Even if you multiply 1200 into 36, you will use calculator. But 1200 into 36 you can do by yourself. Maybe one second late, that's all, than the calculator. You try that. Always you try to do yourself. 30 into 30, how much? 900. 30 into 3, 90. Correct? But you people will don't know. Take 30 into 3. Don't use the calculator for all those things. Without calculator also, we people can live. Without light also, people can live. Light is invented by somebody. Because of his telephone invented by Graham Bell. Because of him, you are using telephone. You know, Wright brothers. No, the Wright brothers, what they invented? Flight. They invented, flight. But you know, first time, they were actually having a cycle shop. They were repairing cycle only. First time they want to show to the entire world how the plane flies. But they call all the village people in their area. Hey, today we are going to invent something. Our flight is flying. But unfortunately, it has not taken off. Everybody scolded them. But yeah, sumne eno doddaagi martini anta helbitri bandbittu karisbitri anta. That is not the failure. That is the first attempt. Some problem was there. Next day they did it. Like, you know, cinema, the first cinema, they call all the people, 100 people in the village. Some problem has happened. They can't show the cinema. Like that, everything in the invention state is small only. But when it comes to subsequent improvements, no, it will come. Like that, your mind, your goal should be small in the beginning. Subsequently, only it will improve. So you try to improve yourself, my dear friends. Try to improve yourself. The key elements: identify weakness, work on them, overcome your fears, beat procrastination, set goals, find your purpose in life, learn new skills. See, these are all the things what a student or engineer or whoever it is want to successful in any one area, in any area, it is possible. So your thinking should be on that line. Your goal should be on that line. Then only, unless you know yourself better, you will not be in a position to perform better. That is what my confession as far as the personality development is concerned. You need to know yourself. What am I? What I want to do? Let us fix a goal. We'll definitely do it. If you don't fix a goal yourself, no, you will not. See, tell me, if you start your bike, you should have your goal. No? I should go to Oriental or I should go to Mantrimal. If you want to go to Mantrimal, distance is less. Oriental distance is more. Like that, you know, wherever you want to go, it would fix your goal. Like that, even life also, no, you should have a goal. Where you want to go, what you want to do, what you want to achieve. And I will give you 100% guarantee, my dear friends. Today only you go home and write in your diary what you want to become. You see, at least after 3 years, you have to come to me and tell me, sir, you have said on that day, see, I have achieved this one. So I don't know how much I have inspired you, my dear students. Maybe probably I have taken much of your comments. I wanted to ask you, I always asked you also give the comments. Thank you very much for the faculty of MEA Polytechnic and the students. I first thank you people, because without having any hesitation, you have sit throughout 1.5 hours and encouraged me. All the best. Life is beautiful and God has given me beautiful body and world. Enjoy the life. Every moment of life is beautiful. Every moment you enjoy and do whatever you want to do. Thank you, Ravindranath sir. I was really fascinated and happily shared my views. I don't know how the students and please send your comments whether it is really useful or I wasted their time. I don't want to waste their time, because their time is also very, very important for the entire fraternity of the world, because they are going to become tomorrow's fathers of the day, the entire universe. Today's engineers are really very much required, because infrastructure facility has to be improved in all the urbanized areas. Yesterday I was thinking, wherever water is coming in Kamala Nagara, Basaveshwara, why people cannot design good roads, good drainages. Your involvement and your contribution is much more than us. The young engineers should contribute to the society and for the institutions also. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Ravindranath sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Sir, ಅದು ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತೆಗೆದು ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಮುಗಿತಲ್ವಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು.
ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಇದು ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ?
ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಹಾ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್.
Yes, sir.
ಸರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್. ನಮ್ದು ಇದು ಕಾಣ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ವಚನ್ ಏನೋ ಇದೆ, ವಚನ್.
ವಚನ್. Yes, sir. Yes.
ವಚನ್ ಎಂ.
Yeah, I think I'm visible. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 1 second. So, dear students, the session was really very, very useful. ಸರ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮೂಡಿ ಬಂತು ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೇರಣಾದಾಯಕ ಮಾತುಗಳು. ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂನು ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಹಾಯಕಾರಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ನಾ ಅದೇ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ್ಲೇ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ, ನೋ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ನಿನ್ನ ನೀನು ಅರಿ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್. ನನಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಸುಮಾರು ವಿಷಯಗಳು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ನಾನು ಹೊಸ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಂಗಾಯ್ತು. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. EM ಶಂಶರ್ ಅವ್ರು ಬರ್ದಿರೋದು. ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಓದ್ತೇನೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಇದೆ ಅದು ಅಂತ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ. ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿರೋ ಹಲವಾರು ವಿಷಯಗಳು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ತಾಯಿ, ವೈದ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ, ಈ 3 ಜನ ತುಂಬಾ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮರಿಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ. ಕಲಿಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಾವು ತಯಾರಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಅರ್ಜ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್. ಈಗ ನೀವೇ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ, ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳ ಹಿಂಜರಿಕೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳೋದು, ಹೇಗೆ ಕೇಳೋದು, ಏನ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಒಂದು ಭಯನೂ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ಲಾಡ್ಸಿದ್ರಿ.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್, ಹೌ ದ ಸೆಷನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅಂತ.
ಅದೇನೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು ಕೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. ಗೋಲ್ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್, ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್, ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್, ಬಿಲೀಫ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ಫಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರೋದು, ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೇಷನ್, ಕಮಿಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಬಹಳ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿತ್ತು ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಐ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸ್ ಸರ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಅವರ್ ಲರ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಟಿಲ್ ಅವರ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ರೆತ್ ಅಂತ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ನೋಡಿ, ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ನಾವು RM ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳು ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಸರ್ಗೆ, ಈಗ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಸರ್ಗೆ, ಸಮಾಜವನ್ನ ತಿದ್ದೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ನನ್ನಿಂದ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ಆಗಕ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದೆನೋ ಅಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವತ್ತು 2 ಅವರು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ನಿಮಿಷನೂ ಸರ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ಪೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಭೇಟಿ ಆಗೋದನ್ನ ಅವ್ರು ನಿಲ್ಸಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ನಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ 2 ಗಂಟೆಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಅವ್ರು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎನ್ ಆರ್ಡಿನರಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅಸ್. ಸಮಯ ಬಹಳ ಅಮೂಲ್ಯ ಇದೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ನನ್ನಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಚೂರಾದ್ರೂ ಇವರು ಪ್ರೇರಣೆ ಪಡೆದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ನನಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಲಾಭ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಕಳಕಳಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇವತ್ತು ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಅನುಭವಗಳನ್ನ ಹಂಚಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಅನುಭವವನ್ನ ಹಂಚಿಕೊಂಡಿರೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಸರ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿ, ಪ್ರಾಚಾರ್ಯರು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರು ಮತ್ತು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ನನ್ನ ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕವಾಗಿ ಅನಂತ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಅರ್ಪಿಸ್ತೇನೆ ಸರ್. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು ಇದ್ರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು